guys, today I will do swimming. And see, this is a big swimming pool. You can see it. So, now guys, I will show you different types of swimming, how to do it. The first, the float. We will do our hands like this and we will go there. I will do it again for you guys. Now the second is freestyle. Freestyle is known as front stroke too. We will do like this. Okay guys. Now I will tell you how to breathe in freestyle. I can show you. First we do like this. We should know the accuracy numbers you have. Bubble two number then. Okay. Now we will do the side swimming. This swimming we will take the breathing of this like this. That has an accuracy number 2. Now we will do the back float. Oh guys, I just forget the. Now we will do backstroke. It is like the backstroke, but not like the floating. We will do it this. We will move our hand back like we do it freestyle. Freestyle front and backstroke back like this. Guys, I want to tell you the most important thing. If we are doing freestyle or front float, so we should put our head to the downside. If we will do on the upside, so our feet will not be like them. It will be like this, like you're standing somewhere. So bye bye. This is the end of today's video.